Hey guys, Reeve here with an unboxing video. So I ordered this 2 days ago. 2 days.
Hi everyone.
From Canterbury or Christchurch. Christchurch City, I don't know. I think I know where this comes from. Let's just see. Only cost $3. I thought this cost $5. Oh, no, shipping. So what? Okay, let's see. Is it what I think it is? Yes. Fidget cube. So, judging the box. Pretty cool. It's got click, spin. Is it flick or flip? Flip. I don't know. Flip. It is flip. Flip, glide, roll, and breathe. So let's see. I'm just gonna open this. So that's what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, I ordered. Keep them down like this. I ordered blue camo. Okay, let's open this. Comes with really nice packaging. It's just like a box. Got a place to it. Oh. I got a bin down there. Don't make it. She's gonna pay for a credit card, which I did, my sister, because she has me for reason. If not, I'll keep this. Oh, some in the box. I was right, there's something in the box. I'll just read it to you. Oh, it's like a little thing that tells you what for. I'll just read it quickly. Breathe, roll, spin, click, glide, flip. Okay. So, blue camo. Really nice. So this one is the this one is no, I can't find it. Oh, this one is the glide. So this one's the glide. These are the click. These are the roll. It's a little rollerball. It's like a combination thing. This is the breathe. You just like shake your thumb on it, your finger, breathe. It's pretty nice. This is the flip. And spin. Spins around. So already I really like it, and I think I'm gonna rate it. Oh, I'm gonna rate it a 10. It's pretty fun. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can find what's inside video on how to use a fidget spinner. So, bye!